Hi, if you want to check the battery level for your Sony ULT FIELD 1, then as a first step, make sure that the speaker is connected to the phone. In my case, it's an Android phone, but in your case, it can be iPhone because the speaker can connect to the iPhone. So, after that, make sure that this Sony Music Center app is installed on your phone and that your speaker is connected to this app as well. If not, then do it. It is really simple. Just open this app. Here, select your device, and on the top of the screen, you can see the name of your speaker, that it is connected by Bluetooth, and here you can check the battery percentage. So I currently have 100% as you may notice. And yeah, that's it how you check the battery level for your Sony ULT FIELD 1. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.